Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is February 21st, 2019. We are on the new Student Recreation Center. This will be our 19th video of the series and we'll be taking you through progress since our last update. We'll begin our update on the exterior, our east elevation towards the Dodd lot. The two brown areas you see there, those are our mechanical louvers. It's a great feat that those are installed. Eventually, when the composite panels run by there, you will not see those. Amazing. The doors to our electrical room and mechanical room are installed, and eventually the last ones will be to our garage area that you see the dirt path in through there. Over the outdoor recreation center, we're getting a chance to finish up stair B. That's where the lift is going up through there. And behind our outdoor recreation center, another set of louvers was completed this week. This section is soon slated to also be completed. The big upgrades this month is the work inside. We're going to take you into the climbing wall area. Very excited. On the north elevation, the deck we have out in here, the roof is installed underneath that tarp outside of Mind and Body. We're going to show you that. Next month in March, the stairway that you see outlined in this snow area, we're pretty excited to be able to start our landscaping. Also on Hillside Road, but Hillside Road's not going to start till after graduation so that we can leave the fence in place during that period. We had one pane of glass that was damaged. That's what you see right in here, and they're replacing that. They put a temp in there and we'll be soon carrying it out. We're going to start our boots on the ground with our walk through Hillside, which we have not yet. Recently, we've been coming through the School of Business, but this elevation, this is a feature elevation. We're going to talk about the ceilings in this area, the granite curbing in here, the seats, where the students will be allowed to sit underneath the soffits out of the rain as the buses come by. The south elevation right in here, the pool elevation, the glazing is 100%. In fact, on the job, it's like 99% complete. And this will be the last elevations, the south and the east, to be completed. They're just on the stairway to the right. They're getting ready to do what we call the rock swoll on there. And the rock swoll has an indefinite exposure, but it will actually be within a month or so. This area is getting ready to boom. One of the first landscaping areas that will be started in here. And we can see the two lifts, and that'll end our exterior upgrade. Today we're going to start on the hillside entrance. Previous videos we've started on the School of Business, but this is a great place to start because we've had so much progress in this area. We talked a little bit about in the overhead how awesome are these granite benches going to be under the soffit to be able to sit and wait for the buses. But one of the biggest upgrades since the last time we came through here is the ceilings in these areas. Believe it or not, these very tiny little ceiling lights are going to light this place up amazing. The epay has been finished in this area, so big progress since the last time we were here. This is going to be a great feature entrance. And one of the main reasons it's going to be a great entrance is the first thing you're going to see when you come in is the juice bar right in this area, right in through here. So this is going to be a popular spot at all times during the workouts of the students. We're going to spin back in here and show you briefly. That's the floor drain. There'll be a countertop that comes out in here and ties this in, and the juice bar in this area right in here. It's hard to see with all the scaffolding. The scaffolding will be up. We mentioned to the last time we were through here, the scaffolding is here to work on the ceiling. The next time we come through, it will be down. Most of the mechanicals are up in the ceiling, and they got to paint it, and then they're working its way down. But again, looking back, this lounge area here in front of the juice bar, this is going to be a great place for the students because it's so wide open in here. It's so airy, so light. They'll be able to look at this wide open space, see through to the pool over in this area over here. This Fitness One area is cleaned up, getting ready to do the ceilings in through here. Big progress since the last time we've been through here. Columns finished towards the top, so they get carried up in through the ceiling in this area. All the trades have moved out their storage through here. Also off the hillside main entrance is our admin area. Okay, it's great changes since the last time we will be here. Finally, there'll be a reception desk in through this area here. But we can see the ceilings are almost 100% just left out for mechanical areas. The glazing, the frames were in the last time we were in here. The glass panels are 100%. Millwork has started. All right, this is the guts on the first floor, the admin area of the building. Right, we get a chance to see some of the millwork that's going in through here. Got some nice tape to protect the tradesmen from walking in through here. All right. Again, the intersection, we talked last time, we usually come in through the School of Business. The circulation desk in here, or our control desk in this area. The outline for the ceiling, the soffits are in here. More admin areas down in through here. All right. Again, progress on the casework is strong in through here. We'll take a quick peek to the student faculty area right in through here. Awesome. A little different on the color palette. Nice windows, being able to look into fitness too. We walk down, the elevator's built. This needs to be finished down in through here. But as we move over into fitness 2, we can see all the taping's done in the soffits. So we're all about the finishes in through here. We'll take a quick run through the women's locker room in through here. One of these sections, without even measuring it, is bigger than what we have existing down in through here. You can see the block for the benches down in here. That's lockers over in here. Look at this space in through here. Lockers down in through here. This grand space down in through here. Awesome. Again, just 2 courses of masonry down in there for a bench. We'll spin around. We'll show you right through here. We mentioned previously they get ready to do the floor, but there'll be all individual showers in through here. No more gang showers in this area right in through here. So women's, we have a universal section, and the men's is very similar. There's going to be a door on the universal section, but we're going to take this opportunity to pass through here. Okay. So in the universal section, all individual areas, individual changing areas, shower areas in through here. We'll check the progress on the pool. Wow. We're going to run to the other side where we can get a better view here, but the glazing into fitness 1, all the wall tile has been completed in through here. They're up in the ceilings. That's the process now, you know, from the top down is to do the mechanicals. All the exteriors, we talked about it on the flyover. The glazing on the exterior has been completed in here. This would be our east wall in through here, our mechanical rooms, storage rooms in through here. Again, all the wall tile is complete. It's got plastic on it. It's protected. The big ductworks that serve the supply and return in the areas, that's what those holes are up and through there. All the way to the south, the view I just mentioned, looking back. The locker rooms, the women's, the universal, and the men, as I mentioned, over in this area, over and through here. Beautiful tile, mosaic on through there. The glass that allows you to see in and out over to our fitness areas and through here. 1 and 3. Great work, great job. We're a student. This is the pathway we're going to take into the climbing area down in through here. Great progress since last month. There'll be a reception desk in through here, okay? And here it begins. Specialty contractor. So from down south, Nycros here. Not everybody can do this stuff. And there's different forms of construction in different areas. So this down here has a plywood backer, what we call like a chicken wire on top of that, and then the cement will go on top of that, and then the fasteners on top of that. So pretty neat design all over the place here, you know, to give it that look, like a grotto coming down through here, underneath through here. All right, we're gonna walk around. We got 2 active lifts in this area. We can hear the beep on the lifts coming down. I'm not gonna take a lot of time in here because these guys are working long hours to make this happen, but we're over here. Holy mackerels. That's the 4th, 3+ floors right up and through there. Right, we can see on this type of construction. I'm gonna swing over here. They have the pre-made panels that high up. You can see what the structure is to support it. they put the pre-made pieces, they tie them all together so it looks all blended in when they're finished. They got the angle iron back that ties it in. All right, we'll finish out of the climbing wall into our fitness area 2. You can see the mechanic on the finishes up above, concrete down for protection, drywall up on the top. And remember, this is going to be all storefront down in through here. So once they finish, get all the bulk of the work done, the glass will finish this off. You'll always be able to see that, the climbing area from this fitness area. And I'll spin around back through here, right? Second floor off the staircase, we'll take a quick peek. The senior management area, very similar to the admin area on the first floor. But a good time to check in on the progress through here. All right, a little further along on the first floor. The conference room over in this area right in through here. We got the fan going to keep the air moving, the heat moving in here. It's been some work. We've got a heater going on out here. The patio off the conference room. The roofing's been completed. It's like a liquid membrane roofing that goes over and through there so the finishes can go over the top. Big progress out there to be able to finish this area up. When we did the flyover, we talked about the plastic, the temporary heating through here. But pretty nice to be able to come out of a doorway in the conference room to the patio. We're just on the inside of senior management. We're looking forward to finally the finishes out here will be the e-pay through this section right in through here. So I'm not quite sure all the scaffolding will be down on our next month, but we're getting there. Remember, we're finishing up on the in July, open in August, so it's coming along. Same soffit area for the control desk, second floor, like the first floor. Big progress here on the corner. We get a chance to see the theme that's going to be installed all the way around in through here. That's this full height tile panels in through here. So an awesome job on the corner. This is what we call the margins, pretty tight in through here. Pretty neat panels, really neat panels. Solid, right? These are big full panels in through here, like 10 feet tall. You can see the joints, very small joint up on the top, very small joint. The devices used to hold the margins in through here to keep them steady all the way down in through here. Very nice product. It was nice against the storefront through here. Great start. Next time we come in through, there'll be a ton of this stuff up here on the second floor. Fitness 4, second floor, 2 and 4 in this area over here. All of our studios in this area, pretty basic in there. Nice storefronts. The ceilings are almost finished. All right, that's where all of our studios. Finally, our cycling will be in the last over in through here. Again, on the second floor, similar to the first floor. And this will be all visible to the exercise group on this side. Be able to watch as the climbers work their way up. Now, I was just down on the ground floor and showed you how the pieces went together. Up on the upper third floor, here we are on the second floor, same, right? They take pre-builts, they put them together, and then they tie them together. Third floor, Mac cord updates. Big progress since the last time. All of our athletic equipment, basketball, backstops are in through here. You know, multi-purpose units for the nets have been installed. Basketball. The biggest thing that's going on in here is the plaster. We get a chance to see the process in through here. Well, you see way up at the top, there's a primer that goes on. Then it's a 2-coat process. It's a first coat, a base coat we call it, a second coat over the top. Wicked hard surface. All right, special metal corner beads right in through here. You know, flush to the corner bead, that is finished. And this is really hard compared to drywall. And lastly, we'll finish over our courts, the 4th floor track in through here. Okay. The space grows, you know, as they begin to finish it, as they begin to move stuff out of here. This is a big space. You can really see the courts 1, 2, 3, 4 down in through there, on through here. Again, today is February 19th, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.